Hi everyone. I like to show you another video where you will learn how to add labels to each one of your bedrooms. So I'm gonna click the model, the house, and it may take a little bit of time to load. So be patient to load the model, especially if you have a lot of content that you have added. And if you are connected to your Wi-Fi, um, then you need a little bit of patience as well. Okay, so let's see how long this house takes to download. Um, it has a basement and it has a first floor defined. So it took about maybe 30 seconds or so to load. So notice that it's everything is completed. I may have to redo the garage a little bit because this wall is supposed to be down here. So that was a mistake of mine that I did earlier. But anyhow, I want to add labels. So you can quickly use this tree view and hide the first floor and maybe hide the ceiling as well. Okay. And you can see the nice basement that you have. And I want to add some text. I want to name each one of the rooms. So I click the edit button and then the T to add labels. And I can zoom in a little bit more here and I can drag my text box and type, give me one sec. I can type room 4, or I can give it a name. I can give it a name. Let me see. I'm gonna say Kellen's room. Let's say, so I can drag it. Let's say, and I can use Emma's room. Maybe not Emma's, but a boy room in the basement. um, Jason's room, like, like that. Okay. And then maybe, well, no, I don't want to have another room. I want to have a bath. Bath number 3. And also maybe add utility, laundry. And this is kind of nice if you plan to talk to your contractor, let's say, and you want to get an estimate, or they don't want to come out and they want to see the measurements of your house before coming in. You can give them access with our feature that we are developing. So I done that for each room, and I can close this, and you can see that each of the rooms has a name now. Now we're gonna fix a button here that would show you the name of each room up here and what has in it. In case you have a bathroom, it would have a toilet and a vanity kind of thing. So let me switch to the first floor and also hide the basement. Okay, just hide it and then bring back the first floor and hide the ceiling. Okay, we're still working on on the um, the display of that. Maybe bring the basement ceiling back on. Okay. Um, so I'm gonna add the names here. Text, first floor. That's good. And I want to add. Now it shows the stuff from the basement, so we're gonna try to fix that and make sure that we hide it. So I'm gonna add Sophie's room like that. It's this one right here. And then office, let's say I'm going to add an office here. And then master here. And then master, this I'm going to say bath 1 instead so that it's not that long. That one is right here. Put it in the middle. And bath 2, it's right here. It kind of overlaps with other stuff, but that's okay. And then dining, kitchen. So you kind of get the picture. And family. Okay, close that. And let's show the ceiling one more time. And you can see, I forgot the garage here, but you can see everything has been labeled now. Okay. So this is great if you like to talk to your contractor about where things are and what they are going to have to deal with. Okay. So I'm gonna end it here. In the next exercise, you're gonna see how I'll be adding each of the vanities and fixtures that the house comes with. Okay. Thank you.